Now we tell you how you can solve this exercise of radicals, considering the common mistakes that we usually have. First of all, we must look very well, and we have to see that we have to apply the distributivity. A plus B multiplies C plus D, in this case applying it to the roots. Well, now we'll do the exercise. The first thing you need to do is to start applying the distributivity, namely in this case A. It's equal to 2 multiplied by 3 root to the second bracket. To differentiate it from other products that we then put in a parenthesis. So now we add the plus sign and continue with the first A and B multiplied by the second bracket. After we put the sign minus to B from the top bracket solved, and the B in the first parenthesis is multiplied by A of the second bracket. Now we add the sign from the rest and put B of the first bracket multiplied by B of the second bracket. The next process involves multiplying the first numbers on the front of the bracket, in which case we have 2 root of 6, and put the sign of sum plus. And as the following will give you 6 and 9 root, and add the rest sign minus. Then gives 2 and 4 corresponding to the root. The remainder is the sign and gives us 3 of 6. The procedure is the same as always. Multiply the first numbers in front of the parentheses to each other, and after we do the same with the roots. Then place them in first position the roots that have the same number with each corresponding signs. In this case, 4 and 6 plus 3 root 6. And put the plus sign, giving the remaining roots in such a way that we have to look for the root. Then we have 3 root 6 simplifying raised to 2, and sign tracing. Subtract, and after we put 2 root of 2 raised to 2. Then the root of 6 stays the same. It gets the same sign plus, and we multiply it by 3, 6 and 18. And after we raise and multiply by 2 sign gives 4. Finally, we put 6 and root we subtract 18 minus 4 and 14. The end result is root of 6 plus 14 to root of 2 raised to 2. Most common mistakes. One of the most common mistakes that usually do is when we need to change the sign. For example, in the case of the distributive property, as we have multiplied the signs can be confusing, and we have to take into account, in this case, this for more is equal to this. Another fairly common mistakes will not remove the roots when there is an exponent of 2. As in this case, the root has no index. This means that we can eliminate the root and the exponent.